Hey, my amazing students. I wanted to read a story to you today. It's one of my favorites. Some of you may have already done it with me, but if not, I hope you enjoy it. If you have done it with me, I hope you enjoy hearing it again. So today we are going to do Hiccups for Elephant. All right. It was nap time, and all the animals were fast asleep. Except for Elephant. He had the hiccups. Hiccup! Chimp woke up. I can cure those hiccups, Chimp said. Stand on your head and eat a banana. Elephant gave it a try. Kaboom! It only made him dizzy. Hiccup! Lion woke up. I can cure those hiccups, said Lion. Drink lots of water very, very fast. Elephant gave it a try. He drank and drank and drank and drank. Hiccup! Zebra woke up. I can cure those hiccups, Zebra said. Hold your breath and count to 10 backwards. Elephant gave it a try. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hiccup! Mouse woke up. What's all the noise? Mouse asked. I'm trying to sleep. Poor Elephant has the hiccups, Chimp said. Explained. Mouse looked Elephant in the eye. Boo! He shouted. Everyone waited and waited. But there were no more hiccups. Works every time, Mouse said. And the animals fell back to sleep. Except for Elephant. Choo! The end. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that story about Elephant and the hiccups. What are some ways that you guys try to get rid of your hiccups, and do they work? So let me know in the comments on your Google Classroom. All right. Love you all. Miss you all very, very much. Hope to see you soon.